Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple and healthy salad. So here we have some cranberries, chunks of oranges, tomatoes, carrots, cucumbers, some lettuce, and as we work I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients. So here my daughter is making this salad today for me, guys. I'm so happy having my children here for the Christmas holidays. You know, there's not much energy to do the cooking this year. My kids are dominating the kitchen, all right? So here she's doing her thing. She added lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumber, and she's gonna mix them well. It's just such a beautiful feeling to have your children in the kitchen just helping you, just making sure that they do stuff. And as a mother, just sit down, relax, and enjoy. Now she's going to add the chunks of oranges into the salad. Yes, guys, and you get a lovely citrus zing from the oranges. Mix them well. Now add the cranberries and the carrots. And this is where the sweetness comes in. Feel free to add raisins, add some apples, add some grapes, whatever you want into yours. Then just go right ahead and add it. So once she's done adding the carrots, she's going to mix them well. And you want to chill the salad before serving because we're not yet done. We still have more ingredients to put into this salad. So once it's done and all chilled up, we're going to just mix it a little just to make sure we have everything combined. The sweetness from the carrot and the cranberries, the orangey flavor from the orange. Now we're going to add some pecans and also sprinkled with some toasted silver almonds. And there you have it, guys. Our salad is ready to serve at this point. And this is so fresh. It is so perfect for entertaining, simple to pull together, but full of flavor and looks super fancy. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.